Hey, what's up, Chad?
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, man, and I'm back out here in these streets. Hey, another Octane and Caffeine and Octane, whatever you want to call it. Oh, he's sliding. Don't hit me, brother. Please don't hit me. But today it look like it is loaded out here. I ain't have nowhere to park. Oh my God, it is. What's up, gang? So right now we walking upstairs to the event. I'm late. Well, not late. It ended at 11:30, so I got good enough time to get some content, get some cars out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. And it's like walking up the gates to heaven. Chillin', man. You heard? I know, right, gang? Yes, you've been chilling like you've been working a lot too, man.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
Uh-oh. Yeah, two of them joints. What's up, gang? How y'all doing? What's up, man? You all right?
Hey, you missed the action.
What happened? Oh, y'all just raced? What's up, brother? You all right?
Yes, sir.
He beat you?
He said he beat you.
What's up, gang? You all right? What's up, brother? My bad. Here you go. My bad.
Yeah, it's over here.
I see some of the gang right there. Oh, it's parking right there. I see that two-tone Tesla thing out there. Y'all can't. It look like y'all remember if you follow him in life, you'll know who Scat Pat Black is. It look like his old rap. That black and red joint. But yeah, man. I see some of the crew out there staying. Oh, they got a whole fast lane showed up and showed out. Like, look at that. They got the Mopar section. I might have to move for real. Yes, sir. That look good though. That's a lineup, right? Ooh, we got that wet on there. Y'all already know. Y'all see that thing set up, you know. Y'all see the man, the myth, the legend right there. You know what I'm saying?
Savage 392.
What's up, gang? You all right?
What's going on?
Chillin', player. I see that boy out here show stopping as always.
My daughter out here giving tours and everything.
Okay, look at you. What's up, brother? You all right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I just put that thing on. What's up, gang? Chillin', man.
Man, if y'all ain't already liked to comment on this video, y'all better go ahead and do it, man.
Hey, look.
TV, Pablo Savage 392, OTM in the building.
Hey.
We lit out here.
I need a
shirt, by the way.
Yes, sir. I got you.
You brought them with you?
No, sir.
You said you gotta go to the back. I brought my cash.
Man, listen. Let me tell y'all.
Y'all shot me Pablo.
Then you got them street predators out here. You know what I'm saying? You can't not see the gang out here. What's up, brother? You all right? Yes, sir. What I think? And I heard you chopping now.
I ain't shopping.
Ain't chopping yet? You know what I'm saying? Like I tell y'all every time, all the time, Zombie Scat is my favorite scat pack. That Plum Crazy with that Zombie Scat on the decal on the side. It's pressure. He is running 315 on that backside, so you don't want no smoke with that boy. You know what I'm saying? Then you know this has become one of my new favorites. How he did that. That design is crazy. And my boy Stacks is out here. Y'all already see him. Bit motor, bit running, bit smoke. You can try it if you want. I don't advise it, but you know how it goes. Then he got them red guts. Oh, he got rocks. No.
Yeah.
Then he got him. Ooh, that thing look good. Yeah. Oh, that joint look good, bruh. Okay. Bro, that bit look good, dog. That bit look good, bro. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, Does it give you a different feel when you see that bit light up and you smash it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All this light up. It's fine.
Ooh, y'all see the boy out here, man. What's up, gang? With that salsa.
You know what it is.
And my dog twisted up. I see you, girl. You killing right now, man. And my dog, hey, you know, he'll emergency me, so when he come home, you know, he hang out a little bit. My dog hanging out. That boy said, I'm finna party this weekend. Look at him.
You already know.
Yes, sir. But this is crazy, bro. My dog got a whole race car out this bit.
Shit, not yet. I still got some more work to do to this.
Man. Black wings. So that sounded like a lamb. I like that though. Yes, sir. Big go mango. They ain't messing with him. Big go mango. 426 in that thing. And that bit right now. Yes, sir. That's the OG. That is damn brand new. God damn. Miss that car. This the rap that compete with Burroughs rap. He did all this by himself. Pressure. Yes, sir, ski. Like that. It's the OG muscle section. First Lambo that I ever sat in. Y'all see that thing. And it's stick shift. Woo! Get busy. Acura. Yes, sir. That's some, I always do that. That was the Acura, I was right. shit. Let's rock out, baby.
Got in my trunk right over here.
I know that shit was. I was like, damn, I'm asking this man all these questions.
No, you're good. I was like, I've made like little ones before, but you wanted big ones, and I was like, that's a good learning experience.
Yeah.
So I'm glad you were like patient with me. We got where the S-Max is at. All in here. These are the Instagrams, I think. Or no, these are the YouTube. No, not YouTube. These are PabloSavage.com.
Okay.
And then I can shorten that space too. I can make it look a little even. I don't know why, but the font made those like really spread apart for some reason. So those are those ones. This is your Instagram. I've got the Instagram logos in here.
Okay.
Too. And then we got the YouTube. Right there, that'll go.
That's big as hell.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is only 3 inches and let's see.
He got a different one then. Alright gang, so we done walked around. You seen what they had out here. It wasn't that many exclusive pieces like the last time. I don't know what they had. They must have thought something was gonna happen and they didn't really put it together like that. But it was some pieces, but not all that exclusive stuff. Like last time we came, we seen that dang on McLaren, that rare McLaren. We came and seen that rare Lamborghini, the Lamborghini STO. We seen that. And the time before that, what we seen the Pagani, you know what I'm saying? So, but today it was a little bit chill. A lot more people, but way more chill. Like as far as not having that many cars this time. But right now, with the side customs, he had maybe some custom decals to go on Big Daytona. You know what I'm saying? We had to get that thing cracking because y'all know we ordered from Vinyl Status, and when they came, because the measurement was all off, there was these itty bitty ass damn decals that I can't do nothing with or nobody can't see. So now, how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. So now we got the big boys, so you're gonna be able to see me from far, far away. You know what I'm saying? When you roll up on the car, you'll be able to see it. It's gonna be clear, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got over here. I need to get this thing washed, bit dirty. Alright gang, so it's done. Then add a little bit sauce to Big Daytona, you know what I'm saying? I like it, I like the way it look. Y'all tell me what y'all think. It's good promo, you know what I'm saying? When you in this business, advertisement is the best thing for you. It's what you need, it's what you gotta have. So this is what I did to Big Daytona. And y'all know I'm going on my first rally. So I gotta have something look kind of sporty, look like it's got some kind of work done to it. She don't move like that, but she move a little bit. All right, check this out. So we put the Instagram decal on the side right there. I like that. Remember I did the small one. Now I got it bigger and it look way better. You know what I'm saying? I came across the back. They told me, they were like, you gotta have an SRT. Nigga, I drive an SRT. This is what this is. So SRT life right there. Then you got the YouTube banner up there. And I got it on this side right here, you know what I'm saying? Next step is to get those like smaller ones like the Brembo sticker. I want like the tire brand, whatever. It's just gonna all go right there. So y'all, big rally car coming, big super muscle car coming with the rally stuff on it. Y'all gonna see, man. Hey, brother, tell them where they can find you at. I appreciate you.
It's Asai Customs on Instagram. Follow us, hit us up. We do wraps, decals, installations, lighting, everything. Just let us know.
Yes, sir. You got just Instagram. You got a direct contact. If they...
We've got a phone number. It's 904-990-9088.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And you can text or call.
Okay. text him. Cause y'all know y'all be on people's phone lines with the weirdo stuff. We ain't got time for that. He just want to get his job done and get you your product and get going with his life. You know what I'm saying? So don't even go plan on nobody's phone. And only hit him up if you serious, man. And I like it. It look good, y'all. It look good. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. Hey, I gotta cut it back off. Gotta show some more love, man. So, brother just pulled up. Let's tell he got he do paint correction and what you say you do? Ceramic coating?
Paint correction, ceramic coating, anything with vehicle detailing. Okay. Extensive in vehicle detailing. 27 years in business right here in town.
Okay.
Upper echelon auto detailing. We get it right for you.
Yes, sir.
By appointment only.
This is information right here. Y'all can see that. Make sure y'all zoom in. Check that out, check that out, check that out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's something on the back. And that's the phone number right there. Check that out. Uh-oh, don't drop it. All right, man. Make sure y'all hit everybody up, man. Y'all go show some love, man. Run it up. Go to their Instagrams. Order something, man. Just check them out. We got to support each other. We got to make this thing happen for the city. So all these people are local in my city. They can ship it to you if you need it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, just show love, man.
Come Pablo, porta la tua tipa al tablo.